Dr. Obiora Okonkwo is, to me, an exceptional human being. An exceptional human being is he who believes in the cause of other people. An exceptional human being is someone who lives for the good of other people, somebody who looks at himself as an instrument in the hand of God, who believes that the whole essence of human creation is to extend creation. And the only way to do that is to, improve the life of other people.
Obiora Okonkwo is a perfect gentleman. I have known him for quite a long time now. Actually, the first time I met him, he presented himself really. I came to know him as a man of great ideas, a man who wants to develop, wants to build people. He works so hard, well educated, and he wants his knowledge to bear on society.
He's my husband. He's a loving husband. He's a wonderful father. He's a good boss. He's a philanthropist. He's a man of the people generally. I wish him good health, loads of joy, happiness in whatever he does.
Well, I'm so excited to be here today and to wish my very good friend, Chief Dr Obiora Okonkwo, Dicor of Nigeria, to wish him a very happy birthday. Dicora, as is popularly known, is a very great man. An administrator, astute businessman, a statesman, a philanthropist, a man that from his own experience in life, all he does is to give back to the society. This is a man who has the Midas touch. Anything he touches turns into gold. So I am so happy to be associated with him, to have him as my friend, and I'm here to wish him the best. Today is his birthday. I wish him a very happy birthday. I wish him long life. I wish him good health. I wish him prosperity. I wish him very many happy returns.
For him always say that Dikora is a treasure to not only the Igbo people but to Nigeria as a whole. So he has got so much. That's the future of Nigeria. We should look up to people like him because he's so strong and so focused, and he can do so much to bring us to where we want to be.
Come on. And we can even do better than that, please. 1, 2, 3. Quiet, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you, protect and guide you, provide all your needs, all the days of your life. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Nothing good comes is as a matter of fact. We all live in this country. We all operate under the same environment and circumstances. It just takes special grace of God. It's really not of anything special of my making. Because I know a whole lot of people who work as hard, if not even harder than I do. So it is just that it's just to have faith. Don't give up. Keep doing what you're doing. God has so many ways of blessing somebody. Those people might have what the other people do not have. The more important thing is keep faith, work hard, believe in yourself. Don't be deterred with whatever is going around us, because even you go to days in the Bible, from the Old Testament to New Testament, the great people that we have known from that history, I haven't seen anybody that had it easy. King Solomon, David, even Jesus Christ himself, that is most popular in the whole world, was celebrating, worshiping and adoring. He was persecuted and murdered for nothing. So I really think that it doesn't come easy. It's not been easy, but thank God we are where we are today.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.